Working with Information Builder's Focus and encountered a FEX file. This is a report procedure file from the Focus Reporting and Analytics platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the FEX format, but we'll attack the top issues first. A FEX file is a report or executable procedure created by TIBCO's Focus, a business intelligence and analytics platform. Users encounter these files when running or sharing reports within an enterprise environment. The primary user intent is to execute the report to view data visualizations, tables, and business insights. The FEX file is typically a plain text script containing Focus language commands. This text-based design allows for easy editing, version control, and execution by the Focus engine. It defines data sources, filtering logic, and formatting rules, making it a portable and human-readable set of instructions for generating a report. The source application for FEX is frequently listed as TIBCO Web Focus from TIBCO Software Inc. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows can show basic details, but full interpretation requires the software that uses the data. Your reliable first move is the Open With command. Right-click the FEX file and select Open With. If TIBCO Web Focus is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. When your FEX file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in Web Focus. Launch the Web Focus App Studio or text editor and open the FEX file to view the report procedure code. The IDE provides syntax highlighting code completion and integrated execution for developing and testing Focus reports against connected data sources. Next, running the report. Submit the FEX file to the Focus or Web Focus server through the App Studio Run command or via the Web Focus reporting server URL. The server executes the report procedure against the configured data sources and returns formatted output as HTML, PDF, Excel, or other formats. Finally, editing report logic. Use the Web Focus app, Studio Visual Editor, or directly edit the FEX file in any text editor to modify report logic. Add new fields, adjust formatting, and incorporate data manipulation. Test changes by running the modified report and reviewing output for correctness. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.